Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Organization and Architecture class. In this unit, we will briefly talk about history of computing device. Humans naturally count with fingers and use objects to represent information. For example, as depicted on the screen, is a wolf radius bond showing 55 cuts in groups of 5. Another example of computing device is tally sticks. A tally stick is a form of a receipt and can be traded or sold much as long portfolios are bought and sold today. Pascal developed and started to build a mechanical calculator in 1642 to help in his father's tax work. The device contains 8 dials that connect to a drum with an innovative linkage that causes a dial to rotate one notch when a carry is produced from the dial in a lower position. A window is placed over the dial to allow its position to be observed. It is worth noticing that the invention of the abacus around 3000 BC, which represents numbers using bits and performs calculation by moving bits up and down. A typical abacus is made with columns of bits, which can be moved freely up and down for calculation. There is a bar to separate bits into heaven and earth. A heaven bit represents 5, and an earth bit represents 1. As shown on the screen, the picture demonstrates a base 16 abacus with 2 heaven bits plus 5 earth bits. To initialize an abacus as 0, all heaven bits should be moved to row to the top, and all earth bits should be moved to row to the bottom. In this course, we will briefly introduce how to use various types of abacus to represent numbers in different base systems, such as base 10 or base 16 in the subsequent unit. Any questions?